Okay, so your Mark I SDG and Space STEM kit will come in a box like this. And the first thing that you'll notice is when you try to open the box, we've got a sticker here that says scan the QR code inside. So we'll come back to that later. But for now, let's unpack it and lay the components out. All right, so here's the kit unpacked and laid out. If you have stickers, of course those are terrific, but not critical in a structural or scientific sense, so we'll put those off to the side along with the container here. Now you may be wondering, where is that QR code that we went over? And it's on the back of this branded mechanical chip right here. And that QR code, if you scan it, will take you to the MaxIQ homepage. The MaxIQ website is full of helpful guides, curricula, and more advanced sensors and prototyping boards if you want to order those down the road. But let's go over the components in the Mark I STEM kit. So this right here is your core computing module, or standard core, and this is based on the ESP32 processor, which you can see here. The core features a dual processor, memory, and it is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. Here is a light sensor for detecting natural light intensity and UV index data. Now this, of course, is the USB module. You can see the connector right here, and you would use this to power and also program the kit. This is a weather sensor for collecting air temperature and relative humidity data. This is your OLED display screen, and this chip is particularly delicate, so it's best handled by holding it on the sides like this, not holding it with fingers at the back and front of the screen. Just on the sides there. Here's that mechanical chip, of course. And this is your soil moisture sensor. We won't use it for the example build in the next video, but do make sure to keep it with your kit. And last but not least, we have 8 of these 10-pin connectors, the signature connector of MaxIQ. No soldering required, you just connect or chip the boards together. Alright, so these are the components of the Mark I STEM kit. Some assembly required, but it's pretty straightforward. We'll have a working kit soon.